Hello, my name is Akash. I am going to discuss about the difference between the mitosis and meiosis. The main difference between the meiosis and mitosis is the first a definition of mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis is the special types of cell division that result in the formation of two daughter cells. Each daughter cell with the same number of the chromosome as the parent cells. But difference in a meiosis. The proper definition of meiosis is the specific types of the cell divisions result in the formation of two daughter cells. Each daughter cells with the half number of the chromosome as the parent cells. The second point of the mitosis. Mitosis is creates to the diploid cells. Diploid cells means pairs of the chromosomes. And second point in the meiosis is created with the haploid cells. Haploid cells mean the single number of chromosomes. In third point of the mitosis, one round of cell division to produce the four phases in mitosis. First phase is prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. The same in a meiosis. Third point of meiosis. The one round of the cell division to produce the 8 stages in a meiosis. Into 4 stages, 8 stages. 8 stages in a 2 phases means one phase of meiosis and second phase of meiosis. In one phase of meiosis is same 4 phases: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. This is same as a second phase means meiosis second. Mitosis occurs in the somatic cells and body cells, and meiosis occurs in the germ cells and sexual cells means sperms in a male and ovum in female. 4 point in the mitosis. It is a critical process for the cells production of new cells. In meiosis, it is needed for the sexual reproduction. Then during the fertilization to the daughter cells form. And fifth point of meiosis and mitosis. Mitosis occurs in the prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells like virus, and meiosis occurs in the only one eukaryotic cells means animal cells, plant cells, and fungi. This is all about the difference between the mitosis cells and meiosis cells. Thank you.